Hi everyone. Today I have come up with my new video on my channel Career Talks with Deepa. Today I will be talking about MBA HR specialization. MBA means Masters of Business Administration, and I will be telling you that how HR specialization is important, what is the scope of it, and with job opportunities and salary package related to it. So be connected for the whole video and I will be disclosing many important points related to it. So now first thing which I want to tell you about is the scope of MBA HR. Now when we are talking about the scope, we must remember there are a lot of opportunities available in India and abroad, and this is because you must know that every organization has employees, and when you have to manage the employees, you have to take care of the HR department. So in every organization, HR department is there which look after the employees. So in every area, employees are there, and if you want to take care of your employees, then you have to have HR department. The next I want to talk about is eligibility criteria. Now this is very important, that who can do MBA. Obviously the criteria for selection of MBA, after that you can take HR specialization. There is no problem. There is no separate criteria for that. Anybody who has got more than 50% in any of the UG course, yes, any of the stream which you have taken, undergraduate course, it can be BCom, BBA, BSc, engineering, even medical people can also do MBA. You can give CAT, XAT, MAT or CMAT for the selection. Some universities are also having some criteria, selection criteria exams, so you can also opt for that. Then I will be telling you about HRM subjects. First subject obviously is human resource management, where you will be studying the staffing, recruiting, etc. Then you will be studying strategic human resource management, compensation management, then social psychology also you will study, because you must know the psycho of all the employees, because you have to deal with their stress, their career management, etc. Then you will be studying about the counseling subjects in some of the universities are having, and then there are legislation and law subjects also related to it, where you will study all the laws related to the employees, like wages, salaries, then retirement, etc. There are different laws available. Then you have to deal with your trade union also, so for that also there are many laws are applied, so you have to study that also. So there are different subjects, training and development, then performance subjects. So there are a lot of subjects. Some of them I have jotted down in this slide. Then we will be talking about the skills required. Now this is very important, because you will say that already we are studying so many subjects, so there is no need to study something more. But I tell you, my friends, that skill required is very important, where you can do some extra courses related to HR, which can be on talent management, your HR mapping, scorecards, auditing. Then you can have some related to HR in modern times, strategic management related, strategic HRM related. These are very important, and these are becoming very important nowadays. You can go for some certified courses also by Udemy or Coursera. Online there are a lot of websites available, you can go for that. Even offline, if it is available, you can go for certified courses, which will add on to your eligibility, your mastery, and will give you better job opportunity with better salaries. Because people who are doing these type of MBA HR specializations for IIM or very good or maybe top 20 colleges of India or abroad, then it's fine because they don't have to do anything extra because in their resume also their strength is there. But I'm talking about those students who are not selected in these type of MBA degree courses in very top colleges. They can go for these type of online and offline courses and can add on to them, which will lead to better job opportunities for them. Now let us talk about the jobs which are available related to HR. You can become HR manager, you can become staffing director, you can become technical recruiter, compensation manager, employee relation manager, you can become employee or placement manager, director of HR training, organization development. So there are a lot of job opportunities available. Any one of you can choose and try to find out what are the responsibilities and duties which has to be performed when you have opted for one of it, and then you can work on it and select your career for your future. If you call about the salary packages available, then it totally depends on from which college you have done your MBA, because I've already said that if you have done from top 30 or 40, then obviously your salary package will be very high. But if you talk about the mediocre colleges, I would say that it starts from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, and then you can go higher in future as your experience increases. But I don't think this is a bad start. You can do it. And then I want to add that people who want to have career in HR, they must have some counseling techniques in them. They must learn it, and their communication skills should be very good, because you are the person who is going to bound all the employees of your organization, whether they belong to any of the department. So I think your job, your career and your salary, everything will be very, very good if you opt for MBA HR in your career. So thank you so much. I hope this presentation, this video is very advantageous for you and you must have learned something. And if you have learned, then please subscribe my channel, because I'm going to tell you more about career opportunities which you can choose, and you can combine your career with your passion, which is a very important point because it needs lot of guidance for that, which I'll be providing you on my channel. As far as the HR people goes, I think they are the king of the organization. So you people have to be the best of it. So best of luck for your future, and thank you so much for this presentation watching me. So thank you so much. See you in future. Bye.